What's up, y'all? It's Ace Born to Win, man. And I be getting a lot of questions about stuff that I be doing to start my clothing line, Born to Win, how I got it started, and where I be getting stuff from, and vendors, and so many questions that I just want to put it all into one and be able to give it to y'all. So I got into this starting a clothing line. It came from an idea that when I was in prison, I wanted to get out and start my own business. And one of my business I wanted to start was a clothing line that could motivate people. So I wrote down a bunch of names and I came home, and the last name that I had on there, the last piece of the paper, when I got into my entrepreneur stage, when I came home after about 3 months, I realized that I wanted to go with the name Born to Win. It was something that motivated me, something that was positive, and I wanted to just spread more positivity. So with that, I got my logo and I drew it out on a piece of paper first. After just going back and forth for different ways, I knew I wanted to make it different. I wanted it to be something that stand out, and my niche would be these slashes. That's the logo that to where can't nobody we could trademark it. So I did that, and it was like mainly for, like I said, my clothing line and for the stuff that I was doing with my music, and I wanted to be able to make it bigger also. So when I got out, it was all just the idea that I was just working on, and I was doing my music behind it. But I started doing my lawn care business, and COVID hit about 2020, and once that hit, that's when I realized that I had to do something for myself. I had to start me a business to where I couldn't be relying on nobody. And after a lot of studying, I talked with a dude, John, who told me that he could be able to show me about building a clothing line and start my own clothing business and teach me about how to make it. And that's what he did. He showed me how to make my clothes. I ended up going to get the Cricut, the heat press, and the laptop that I needed, and that's what I was able to use to be able to get started with. So it don't take a lot. It's just you gotta have the right mindset, knowing that it's a business you invested in. It's gonna take time for you to be able to grow. It's not just a quick journey. It's not gonna just be, a quick flip. It's gonna be something that's gonna take some time. It's gonna take patience. You're gonna have to learn patience with it, and you gotta just enjoy it. Like, enjoy the journey, enjoy the art that come with it, meeting people, connecting, meeting with other brands. Like, it's all great to be a part of. So I just want to be able to show y'all how to get started. We done had a store, we done had our clothes downtown, Circle Center Mall, be at a lot of vendor events that go on in the city, and people know our brand. So if you want to be able to have a brand that's well known, people know your brand, they know what it's about, be able to talk about your brand to where people understand it and know why you came up with this, and they know it's not just for money, that you actually really enjoy this and that you love to do it. Just stay in tune, and we're gonna talk about this all throughout the chapters. We got plenty of lessons for y'all, man, that's gonna be given out. And it's just like, it's the blueprint. If you've been looking for the blueprint, man, this is it right here. That'll definitely be able to show y'all a lot of stuff I done learned. And it's years of knowledge, you feel me? Years of knowledge is years of experience that I done put money into to learn this stuff, man, and resources and stuff that's done help me. Something that you can also be able to do the same. So just make sure that y'all stay up on this course, man, that y'all stay ready, because I'm gonna show y'all how to start your own clothing business. You feel me? Y'all born to win too.